With 295 kilowatts hour per year, this fridge happens to be very energy saving. Inakuja na 3 stars energy saving, kumaanisha more stars, more savings. Ni 230 liters bottom mount freezer ya Hisense with a very sleek design na inakaa hivi on the inside. It is divided into 2 sections whereby side ya juu ndo fridge na side ya chini ndo freezer. Iko na very wide compartment sitting on the inside. Alafu iko na hii control knob hapa, unaweza regulate temperature ya fridge. Inakaa hivyo. Iko na LED lighting on the inside ya kusaidia uone vizuri wakati una operate the fridge. On the freezer side iko na 3 baskets enough for your storage. Na hii hapa, it was going for 63,000 Kenyan shillings, but currently it's running on offer for only 60,000 Kenyan shillings. Come grab this fridge before the offer ends. Unaweza shop kwa website yetu, we go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Neighbors Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2. Na usisahau ukinunua fridge kwetu unapewa a free fridge guard.